Hello guys, so this video is for day 23 and 24 of the 30-day challenge that I have taken for myself. And previously I was not uploading videos on time. Yesterday I uploaded one video and before that I uploaded a video. And previous to that I did not uploaded videos 3 to 4 days in a row. And because of that there was a big backlog that was created. And at the same time the amount of work that I have been doing for the last couple of days, I was not able to maintain that consistency in the work and in the videos as well. That disturbed the whole schedule, but like I told in my last video, I tried to get back on the schedule and try to finish this challenge on time. So right now I have not been working on the calling part, neither was anyone from my team. There was no one doing any kind of new acquisitions, bringing new clients, nothing. The only clients that were coming were through my conversations that were happening with the help of LinkedIn. I reached out to a lot of people on LinkedIn telling them my services, this and that was only giving me clients. So far, I have 3 good clients which are paying me a good amount of money, and there are 2, 3 small clients that are being managed by someone else, and I am the one who is handling them basically. But the work is being done by someone else. So that's the kind of a structure that is in place right now. And if I tell you about my plan, my goals, so to be very simple, it is just that I want to cover the rest 28,000 in the next 6 days. And if to do that, I have again, allocated the calling part to a girl who is a friend of mine. And starting from tomorrow, positively, she's going to work on the calling. She's an experienced person to that. So probably I believe I'm going to get good results. And to complete this 28,000 rupees, I need to onboard at least 4 to 5 clients. And if I do that, it will be very easy for me to complete this challenge. I have 6 days remaining, and I think it can be done if there are around 10 to 15 calls that are being done daily. So that is what my motive is. I'm going to put an attempt to do all of this as soon as possible, and by the end of next week this challenge will be over, and I'll create a final video in which I'll tell you guys what are the outcomes that I got out of this challenge, what is the difference that it brought in terms of my mentality, in terms of the way I used to think about using my time, and at the same time in terms of my financial positions. I have also been spending a lot of money because it was coming in. So I am going forward to work upon a lot of other things. The whole point of this 30-day challenge was to make myself a better person. The challenge itself was for 1 lakh rupees, but it was not just limited to that. I took a lot of other things as a personal aspect, like my health, workout, and investments and things like that. So the only thing that I am discussing about in my YouTube videos is the amount of challenge, amount of percentage of the target that I took. Basically 1 lakh, say what is the amount that I have done or what is the amount that I have not done. But there's one thing that I have never talked in the video about, that is all the other aspects I have taken a challenge. So this challenge was just mainly to bring that consistency and discipline inside me. And at the same time, with the help of this challenge, there was always a pressure on me that I have to do something, because if I'm not going to do anything, there is nothing for me to tell in the video. And all of the viewers who are watching my video on a daily basis, or maybe on in a period of 2 3 days, they'll just lose the kind of interest they have. So I just want to keep that going on. And once this challenge is over, I'm going to also introduce a lot of new videos in which I'll be putting out a lot of useful content related to Excel, e-commerce platforms, opportunities, and a lot of different things that you guys can use in your career, and it will really help you to improve your skill set and utilize it for the better sake. So that was it about day 23 and 24. There was nothing much that happened. I just reworked on the calling part. I have got a new girl and assigned it to her, because it is a little, if I'm not getting results, then there's no point of someone working for me. And people usually tend to lose motivation because they don't know how this whole process works. But since this girl is an experienced person, she knows that there are a lot of rejections. Even I have faced a lot of rejection when talking to clients. But even if the success ratio is 10:1, which means if I make 10 calls and if I get one client, that is not bad in this particular industry, which is called the calling or CRM kind of an industry. Probably going forward, that girl is going to, start calling the clients again. I have a lot of data which I can use, and that is what I'm planning to do going ahead in the last 6 days. So that was it about day 23 and 24. See ya in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.